Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this particular video where we are going to break down one of the most effective trading strategies that combines two powerhouse indicators, which are the DEMA and SuperTrend. The DEMA stands for Double Exponential Moving Average, and then the super trend. So these are the two indicators, like a combo, right? If you're looking to improve your trend following ability and enhance your trading accuracy, you would want to pay close attention to this one, okay? But before we dive in, make sure to like the video if you are excited to learn this strategy, and subscribe for more valuable trading insights, okay? Let us get started. First up, let us talk about the DEMA, or the DEMA for short. It stands for Double Exponential Moving Average. I already mentioned that. Now, traditional moving averages tend to lag behind price action, yeah, which can make it tough to spot trends in real time. But the DEMA, the Double Exponential Moving Average, addresses this issue by applying a more sensitive calculation, which allows it to react more quickly to price movements. Okay, so the result is that DEMA helps traders identify trends faster, you know, allowing you to make decisions more swiftly and take advantage of market movements as they happen. Okay, now if the price is above the DEMA, if the price is above it, you are likely in an uptrend. And if it is below the DEMA, then you are likely in a downtrend. It's as easy as that. Next, let us talk about the super trend indicator. All right, let's talk about the super trend indicator. Okay, here we go. The super trend is actually a trend following indicator that places a line above or below the price. You can see these are green line, alongside a green shaded area, and the red line alongside the red shaded area. Is the super trend indicator that is painting those lines and areas, right? So when the super trend line is below price, you will notice that it is going to be green in color, signifying an uptrend. And when it is above price, it's going to be red in color, signifying a downtrend. So the super trend actually works by helping you determine when to stay in a trend and when to exit. Okay, it provides simple and actionable signals by flipping colors, right, from green, which is a buy signal, to red, which is a sell signal. It's a powerful tool for traders who want to follow the trend with confidence. Okay, so how do these two indicators work together? It's all about trend confirmation, basically. Yeah, you can get trend identification with the DEMA. Yeah, the DEMA shows you the overall trend. That is the double exponential moving average. Yeah, it shows you the overall trend. If the price is above the DEMA, you are in an uptrend, and if it is below the DEMA, you are in a downtrend. Okay, then you can get your confirmation with the super trend. Once the DEMA tells you the trend direction, the super trend confirms it. All right, you can see, for example, look at what we had here. You can see that first of all, let's see. The DEMA, first of all, give us a buy signal right around here. Can you see that? And then the super trend actually confirmed it. You can see with this green area and the green line. Okay, so watch out for trend identification with the DEMA, and then make your confirmations with the super trend. All right, if the price is above the DEMA and the super trend flips to green, you've got yourself a strong buy signal. But if the price is below the DEMA, if the price is below the DEMA and the super trend flips to red, like what we had happen around here, then you've got a strong sell signal. Okay, now when both indicators align, you have a powerful signal to enter a trade. So this double confirmation increases the likelihood of a successful trade. Then for your exit points, The super trend is also great for exits. When the super trend flips color, once it just flips color, it's a signal that the trend may be reversing. So if you are in a sell trend here and the super trend flips to green, it's a time to exit your sell. And if you are in a buy trade here and the super trend flips to red, where did it do that? Here, then it's a time to exit your buy. Okay. Now, let us talk about the major benefits of using this combined strategy. Okay. Now, one is for clear trend confirmation. By using both the DEMA and the super trend, you are removing the guesswork from identifying market trends. Okay. And you are confirming the direction of the market with two reliable tools. Now, please note that these indicators do not guarantee profit. Okay, they are effective. Oh yes, they are effective, but they don't guarantee profit. Okay, however, traders take advantage of them because they give good signals. Just that you can't expect 100% of the signals to be profitable because literally they are not foolproof. Okay, like every other indicator out there. All right. However, by using this combo, you are trying to improve your accuracy, confirming the direction of the trend with two good indicators. Okay, the DEMA tries to reduce lag, while the super trend helps you to avoid some false signals by providing confirmation before you enter a trade. Okay, and this strategy works across all time frames. The strategy works whether you are a scalper on shorter time frames or you are holding trades on higher time frames. It's a good strategy that you can try to implement as soon as you wish. Okay, now for those of you who are new to using the DEMA and the super trend, here are some tips. Okay, first of all, start on the higher time frames. Yeah, if you are just getting started, try using the strategy on higher time frames like the 1 hour and or the 4 hour. Yeah, you can actually start with the 1 hour or the 4 hour charts to give yourself more room to make trades. Okay, and then ensure that you look for alignment. Always wait for both indicators to align. All right, when both the DEMA and the super trend agree, when both the DEMA and the super trend agree, that is when you get the strongest signals. Okay, and that is a wrap on the highly effective DEMA plus super trend trading strategy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on powerful trading strategies. Okay, and let me know in the comments if you've tried this strategy before and how it has worked for you. Okay, keep practicing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.